Stocks in the deep. We have NXTT, XTIA, RENT, NUAI, and we'll begin with NXTT down 49.24%. This is Friday, the 12th of September, 2025, pre-market session. The session is opening in roughly 24 minutes. Let's see whether we can find any news here for NXTT. Okay, we have a position in the stock. Let's see what we have here. Trading lower after the company announced a 200 for 1 reverse split. Okay. Okay, that's what we have here. That may be to some extent responsible for what we have here. Yeah. Yesterday, okay, today as well. Let's see. With also some news there. Oh, okay, we have something here. NXTT, okay, yeah. On the losing side, NXTT plunged 49% after I said yesterday that it will implement a 200 for 1 reverse split before the market opens on Tuesday, the 16th. And we have other stocks we're going to have a look at here. Yeah, RENT, XTIA. Yeah, we'll cover them as well. Okay. Okay, so RENT, just in case, it's loss widened by the it lost its loss widened than what it was a year earlier. And the XTIA shed 20% after I said Thursday it plans a public offering of common shares and warrants with Thinker Equity as the placement agent. Okay, so XTIA yesterday gained, sorry, NXTT gained 97.22%. I think, yeah, yeah, yesterday it did, and that's giving up all those gains. And lower prices are expected to keep playing out, going all the way towards Tuesday, the 23rd. Selling pressure must have kicked up so high. No, it hasn't. Selling pressure, the 10 and 21 period moving averages are still robustly bullish. However, yes, the derivatives, three out of four of them are severely bearish. Yes, confirming that it has given up a lot of the gains it ran up. Yes, giving up there, indicating that yes, indeed, there's no momentum going on right now, but no buying pressure going on. It's more of selling pressure, even though the moving averages are still trending. You know, NXTT should see, yeah, reverse split. Yes, okay. So let's see what's going on with XTIA. We have already heard that it's XTIA. We have already heard the news, down 22.66%. XTIA. Yesterday, it lost 8.5 and then continued to decay today as well. Yes, lower prices are expected to keep playing out, going all the way towards Monday, the 15th of Monday, no, Tuesday, the 16th of September. And then after that, it might bounce and then contract again and then consolidate. Projections are saying $2.31, 2.45, 2.54. Selling pressure, let's see what we have down here. Severely bearish. Yeah, severely bearish on the 10 and 21 period moving averages. And yeah, even though it has the two derivatives are still positive, but the fact that we have severely bearish First derivatives indicates that the two moving averages are severely bearish, but okay, the positive derivatives indicates that selling pressure may be abating. That's why probably a bounce seems to be on the cards by Tuesday the 16th, but that looks like a lifetime. Yeah. But in any case, in the interim, lower prices may continue to still print. XTIA intraday low into yesterday's session 1.54. Yeah. Okay, let's see whether we can get that news again. Okay, pricing a $20 million public offering. That's probably why it has plunged fall, I think. Okay, let's look at RENT. RENT down 19.52%. Okay, so what it what this loss is from what it was yesterday, isn't it? Yeah, from what it was yesterday, from this closing price of no, yeah, yes, this is the closing price of 7.89. Because if you're looking at the chart here, this is a 4 hour chart. A lot has happened. So the loss was actually more. It's actually rebounding. So even though it's down 22.5%, it's actually rebounding. It will be from which will be somewhere around here. That's where it's rebounding, and that bounce is expected to remain in place up till the close of tomorrow's trading session, not Monday's trading session, and then after that we might get a deeper decline going all the way towards Friday the 19th. Then after that we might have another bounce, so no guarantee that that will be the case. Projections are saying 6.54. We have 7.89. It closed out yesterday, and then $8 it printed as well yesterday as well. So yes, see, let's see, 8.32, 7.85, 7.07. Lower prices are okay. The selling pressure on the price pressure momentum on its 10 period moving average is severely bearish one. However, the derivatives are robustly positive, indicating that maybe it might begin to recover. Yeah, recovery is afoot. Yes, given that those derivatives are robustly bullish, and the 21 period moving average, everything is also robustly bullish. So it probably is a matter of time, and that may be why the algos are projecting that this bounce will remain in place up till today's trading session, and then the whole of Monday's trading session. Let's see how it goes. Let's see if that will be the case. Do we have any news for? Okay, posted a $26.4 million loss for the quarter that ended the 31st of July, up from $15.6 million last year. Okay, that's the losses were wider than expected. That's why we have that weakness. Fashion rental company posted a loss. Okay, revenue ticked up by 2.5% to $80.9 million. The company ended the quarter with 146,373 active subscribers. Okay, yeah. Okay, the next is NUAI. NUAI down 20.25%. Intraday high yesterday 8.08. Okay, NUAI is quite new. Okay, yesterday printed that intraday high, got a rejection, and it is pulling back. Got support in its 10 period moving average. Okay, we have, yeah, regardless, all the derivatives are still strongly bullish, even with that. Okay, we have some negative, the second derivatives are severely negative, indicating that, yeah, there's a good chance that lower prices may continue to print, even though the extrapolation doesn't seem to be supporting that. But we can quickly have a look at its 1 minute chart, the 1 hour chart. There's no extrapolations here because it doesn't have enough data. So let's check the 1 hour chart. Okay, the 1 hour chart doesn't have any either as well. Let's have a look at the 30-minute chart. It's too short to actually, yeah, okay. It's saying here this weakness is going to remain in place up till Monday's pre-market session. Okay, yeah, that's quite distant enough, but a bounce is possible. It's, yeah, it's actually attempting to bounce and is saying that it may remain in place. Okay, up to an hour into this trading session. Projections are saying 0.6513, 0.4807. The current price is 0.4558. New Era Energy. Let's see what the news is, if there's any. I think there is something. No, nothing here. Okay, just have a look at the stocks and I'll continue to update you. Thank you very much for watching this video.